Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're bringing you something truly spectacular, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, an ultra-luxury RV concept that takes the idea of mobile living to a level never seen before. This is not just another high-end camper, it's a bold vision that fuses Rolls-Royce's heritage of elegance, craftsmanship, and innovation with the freedom of life on the open road. It's where first-class travel meets five-star accommodation, all on four wheels. From the outside, the design is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, yet unlike anything the brand has done before. The exterior features a seamless body with sculpted lines and a two-tone paint job that glistens under the sun. The signature Pantheon grille remains, accompanied by a glowing spirit of ecstasy that rises silently when the vehicle starts. Massive, polished alloy wheels and illuminated accents along the body give it an elegant yet commanding presence. Every inch of this motorhome is engineered not just for beauty, but for aerodynamic efficiency, with retractable side elements and hidden storage compartments adding both form and function. Open the automatic sliding doors, and you step into an environment more akin to a private luxury suite than any motorhome you've seen. The interior is a masterpiece of hand-built refinement. Rolls-Royce has selected only the finest materials, hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, brushed metal, and custom-woven wool carpeting. The floor plan has been intelligently designed to offer spacious living without sacrificing the brand's famously tranquil ambiance. A lounge area at the front includes rotating captain's chairs, a starlight ceiling, and a retractable entertainment system with a 75-inch OLED display. The kitchen is compact yet luxurious, featuring a marble countertop, seamless induction cooking surface, refrigerated drawers, and an espresso machine integrated into the cabinetry. Smart appliances and voice-controlled systems allow for intuitive use, making meal preparation both effortless and stylish. A modular dining space can easily convert into a work desk, tea area, or game table, offering multi-purpose utility in a space designed for ultimate comfort. Further back, the sleeping quarters offer a true retreat. A king-size bed with memory foam and temperature control sits beneath a panoramic smart glass roof that can tint or go transparent at the touch of a button. Storage is elegantly hidden behind leather-paneled closets, and a digital butler system manages lighting, temperature, and even scent preferences. The adjacent bathroom is as refined as any luxury hotels, complete with a rainfall shower, mood lighting, heated towel racks, and a vanity mirror with a built-in skincare assistant. Underneath all this luxury is a cutting-edge all-electric powertrain. Rolls-Royce has equipped the motorhome with a next-gen battery pack offering over 500 miles of range, supported by solar panels on the roof and regenerative braking technology. The drivetrain is nearly silent, and combined with active noise cancellation systems inside the cabin, it creates a travel experience that is remarkably serene. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities, remote control via a smartphone app, and real-time diagnostics ensure that driving this motorhome is as effortless as relaxing in it. What makes the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome truly unique is its philosophy. It's not just about luxury or mobility. It's about redefining how we experience the journey itself. It allows the traveler to roam freely without ever leaving behind the comfort, privacy, and prestige that define the Rolls-Royce lifestyle. Whether parked beside a cliffside, deep in the forest, or overlooking the ocean, this motorhome transforms any location into a personal sanctuary. Thanks for joining us on this exclusive look into the future of luxury travel here at Auto Speed's Vibes. If this dream machine captured your imagination, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible vehicles and visionary concepts. Until next time, stay driven and stay inspired.